Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. I am Thonia. In case you're new to my channel, today we're going to be doing everything brows. So please make sure to like, comment and subscribe down below. With no further ado, let us get started. So I'm going to be prepping my eyebrows with the black opal finishing powder to keep the brows matte. And I'm basically outlining where the startup points for the brow, the arc and the tail of the brows. And as you can see, all the measurements are around my nose area, and I'm simply lining the brows from where I measured, or as you can see, I'm measuring where the arc should be, the tail and the start-off point for the brow. So I would recommend this technique for my beginners. So next up, I'm simply lining the top part of the brows, following that same natural shape of the brows too. And I'm using Davis No. 3 eyebrow pencil to line and fill in. So after that, I'll be starting up with the bottom part of the brows and I'll be filling that in. And I usually make that point really dark. So after filling those outer corners, I'll be brushing the hairs back in place. Then I'll go back in light-handedly to start stroking the brows. As you can see the way I position my hand, and I'm stroking it upwards to just fill in those empty space in the brows. Yeah. I do have another brow tutorial and I'll leave the link in the description box, so do check that one out. I believe it will also help. So after filling and filling, I just keep filling those empty space. And I'm using the Eyebrow Pro Concealer and this Zoeva flat tip brush, and I basically just use a wipe to flatten it out. So going in with your concealer, I'd advise you don't just take it straight to the brow area. I don't know if you understand. I took it on the crease area or something before I started cleaning the brows. I took the brush as close as possible, as close as I can get to the brow. So I advise you apply that on the crease area before you go close to the brow to start cleaning. And also make sure to take your time. And as I clean, I also blend it out too. So I'll be using my foundation shade, and the foundation I'm using is the Blossom Cosmetic foundation just at the outer corner. I'm using this buffing brush by Zoeva to buff out. And next I'll be cleaning the top part of the brows with my foundation. And you simply want to get the brush as close as you can get to the brow so that you can have this sharp effect around your brows. I hope that makes sense, so that you can have that sharp effect around your brows. And you want to have a mirror up close to you, so that's why I'm looking down. So get your brush as close as you can get, and I'm blending that out too. Now I'm just fixing the bottom part of the brows. Next, I'll be going in with this hair gel by Soulmate or something, yeah. And I'll just be brushing my hairs in place. Then I use the pencil to press in the gel, and I also let it dry. So you want to let it dry for a few minutes. And I went back in with the pencil to fill in. And as you can see, we're going to be doing the other eye off camera. And I'm just matching both brows to make it look somewhat like twins, but they are still sisters. So yeah, although I have tired affected eyes, so my brows might not be equal, but I believe this tip would definitely help. And I'm simply just blending the concealer out. So thank you guys so very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Ooh.
Ah.